How to add your bank account in Wise. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily do this. First of all, open the application. Now, here on the left top, you can see a profile icon. Simply tap on the profile icon. So now we're in the settings interface. Here, you can find different options and even customize it. So slowly scroll down. Here you can find a section called Payment Methods. Tap on it, and here on the bottom, tap on Connect Bank Accounts. So this is the place where you can connect your bank account. Here you can select the region that you're in and add all your bank credentials. Later it will give you an OTP or a verification which you can later verify and easily connect or add a bank account. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.